Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how you can apply for Indian passport. I'm going to teach you how you can apply for your newborn or a fresh passport. So first of all, I have already made my account. You have to register on. You have to go to BFS Global website. Then you have to make an account and then you have to log in. So I have already logged in here. So for the fresh passport, you have to click in here, apply for ordinary passport. Because you are going to apply for fresh passport, you have to click in here and then normal 36 pages. So this is very easy process. You can do it by yourself at home online. So here, name, surname, gender, male or female, you have to click. Have you ever been known by other names? So for the baby doesn't have other names. Have you ever changed your name? No. Then date of and then place of birth. Is your place of birth out of India? Yes. And then country, because I'm doing it for Australia, so putting it Australia. So marital status, single. Citizenship by of India by birth. So the baby don't have PAN or voter card, and so employment type, not employed. Educational qualification, 7th pass or yes, less. Is either of your parent in case of minor spouse a government servant? So in my case it's no. Is the applicant eligible for non-ECR category? So we have to click no in here. So the baby doesn't have Aadhaar number, so we don't have to click here anything. We don't have to do anything, yes or no. If someone has Aadhaar number, then they have to click yes here. So we have to do next. So in family details, baby's father name, father's surname, mother's name, mother's surname. If a baby have legal guardian, then they have to put it here, otherwise leave it blank. And then father's passport number, then nationality, Indian, mother's passport number, Indian, then next. Presence of applicant is not mandatory at Indian address. I don't know why it's not going next. I'm just putting it formal names because it's not going next. Finally, we got on the page number 4. So, is your passport passport printable address out of India? No, because we are applying for Indian passport. So here, this is the address. It's going to be on your passport. So this should be your Indian address. So here I'm just putting it like house number 21, then village name, then pin code, your mobile number, email ID, name at gmail.com, police station any, and then here is your other addresses out of India. Yes, so here you have to write down your Australian address. For example, like I'm putting it Coburg, and then country Australia, and then mobile number, and then yeah, this is not mandatory. So here I just did put any number randomly, so you have to put your Indian mobile number. So should be starting, I'm sorry, should be starting from 91. Okay, so put Indian number in here. In here you can put it your Australian number. So next, so emergency contact details, any, your mobile number, and you can put your telephone number if you want. Next, here you have to tell them, have you ever held or hold any identity certificate? Yellow cover booklet is normally issued to stateless people residing in India. So we have to click no. Details of previous, current, diplomatic, official, details not available, never held. And then, have you ever applied for passport but not issued? No. Next. you have to make the declarations. So provide the following details if there are any criminal proceedings. So are there any proceedings in respect of an offense alleged to have been committed? So no. Have you any warrant? No. Has a warrant or arrest? No. Has an order? No. Provide the following details if applicant has been convicted according nothing applicable to us. So have you ever been refused, denied passport? No. Has your passport ever been impounded? No. Has your passport been revoked? No. Provide the following details if applicant has applied for being granted foreign citizenship. No. Have you ever been the passport of any other country at any time? No. Have you ever surrendered our Indian passport? No. Have you ever applied for a reunification of Indian citizenship? No. Provide the following details. Return to India. Have you ever returned to India? Emergency? No. No. So we have to click, basically we have to click no to everything on this page. Then next. So in here, as you can see, your passport will look like this. So whatever you have filled your address, you can match it in here. You can see your name should be a correct name, your date of birth, everything, and your address. And in here your like your child's father name, mother name should be correct, and your address should be matched. You can see it. And then next. In here I'm not going to submit it because it's just for sample. So here you can see everything. You have to double check, and then you have to submit. Okay, in here then you have to say I agree, place date, and then submit. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel, then I will be making more videos related to this content. Thank you so much.